come back to Sangacho. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 28th to 24th of October 2025 on Monday. Charmaine tried to make him change his mind about his shocking decision when she felt she asked Detective Nyati for assistance. Also, as it breaks Ntando's heart when he pushes for the truth. Lucy doesn't like where Jack's head is at for after his recovery. Viola struggles regulating her feelings over Sam and Nontle, who shocked at the unexpected arrival on Tuesday. Nontle is confronted about the pregnancy. Jack surprises Lucy with a thank you card or thank you gift she didn't expect or ask for. Mpo's obsession with Jack goes to a new level. Ntando demands to see his father's grave. Ayanda is bent out on Wednesday. Nontle finds herself being pursued romantically. Fikile misses Jack and finds her way back into his arms. And Paul gets surprising news about an inheritance. The truth about Ntando's father finally comes out on Thursday. Ntando finds out the truth about his father and can't stick around anymore. Lucy discovers someone in Jack's bed. Timothy McVoy causes chaos and drama for Nontle, and Sam Gia pushes Kumo to try therapy, but it doesn't work out the way she hoped. Kumo gets a disturbing surprise on Friday. Nontle uses Sam to make Timothy jealous and regret it. Nokwazi flounders after Ntando's abandons her. Lucy and Fikile vie for Jack's attention. Kumo experiences another disturbing incident. Melo takes cleansing the flat into her own hands, and Paul doesn't want to let his friend's spirits go. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.